Do you think he is responsible for all the crimes that were outlined when we initially began to look at these events, or is he only charged with the ones that you think you can prove, or is he responsible for all of them? How does that work?
This is an ongoing investigation, so at this point there was more than enough evidence, in my opinion, for the issuance of these warrants. However, there are other crimes where he could be a suspect, where the ongoing investigation could lead to other charges, but I'm not going to comment on any facts in any particular case other than to say there's more than enough evidence for these charges, and there's a possibility more could come.
I would venture to say they could sleep better with keeping in mind that, you know, they still need to be aware of their surroundings, because we do take our safety for granted sometimes, but you know, it's still important to use common sense and take care of yourself.
One thing we've been telling people is that these incidents do bring a lot of safety issues up front. One of the things we're going to be a lot more proactive and diligent about is getting with the student population and talking to them about safety stuff and making sure that they're understanding, aware of where they are and where they are at all times.
It's my understanding that the information that they gave was instrumental, and it's my expectation that they will receive a reward at some point, should they comply with all the terms.
The media, y'all have done a fantastic job getting the word out to our community here, but also the Crime Stoppers in Macon. We didn't mention those guys, but they partnered with us in helping get the word out so people would know. We were meeting several times a week, and the other departments that are around here that didn't send anybody were going to send some people. So we actually had a lot of things in place coming up this week that we were going to do, as they say, putting boots on the ground. We were going to be adding a whole lot more folks in here because, again, as this guy was still out there and at large, it's anybody's guess as to what else he would commit.
It's been my experience in person. Law enforcement is not 100% certain venture at any point. And a lot of times it's more art than science. We can flood the area and do a lot of things, but a lot of times it does take luck. It's better to be lucky than good. So I'll take whatever break we got.